Good morning, everyone. My vegetables here. So I got broccoli leaves, bok choy, guys, and this is the cabbage, and that's kale, perennial kale, and I have here spinach, kale, spinach, kale, buckwheat, and I have a jalapeno, guys. The paper is still in the light, and I have jalapeno here, and I have purslane here, and I have lettuce, carrots, and I have calendula and kale, perennial, and over here I have a basil and strawberry. The strawberry here is not germinate yet. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. So this coming spring we're gonna have good vegetables, healthy vegetable, guys. And my red bell pepper is not germinate yet. My red bell pepper here. Jalapeno is already germinate. So, and I have germination outside also. I'll show you. And I still have the petunia here, sunflowers, my chives, my green stocking. So I show you the one outside now. Still have germination. I got onion here, I got bok choy. So I still have bok choy here. And my germination, guys. Outside. I have broccoli here. And the asparagus and onion seed is there. So you'll see my asparagus there. And over here, not germinate yet. So we'll see you guys. Bye bye.